Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to easily open your snaps on the Snapchat web version. If you're not keen on installing the Snapchat application, or for some reason you can't, but you still want to check your snaps, let's proceed. Begin by opening the Chrome browser and navigating to web.snapchat.com. Initially, it will display the mobile version of the website. To switch to the desktop version, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and enable the desktop site option. Now, as you can see, it will automatically detect your Bitmoji profile. Simply tap on Get Started. And there you have it, folks. We are now in the Snapchat web version on the desktop. On the right side, you'll find the camera and filters. You can tap there to use your device's camera if available. On the left side, you have your conversations and shots. The web version does have a bit of a different layout compared to the app, as you can see here, guys. To open snaps, simply access the conversation you want, and it will load on the right side instead of the camera section. From here, tap on the snaps you wish to open. Keep in mind that this method may not work universally across all browsers and devices. And there you have it, guys. I hope this video proves helpful. If it did, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.